Hi guys, welcome to my video. uh, I would like to demonstrate how strong the HOTOR car vacuum clean is, and also I plug the power cable in from the outlet, which is located at the very front of my vehicle. So it has pretty long cable, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And you see here I have sent drop off of my daughter's slipper. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this now, and you will go ahead and see how strong it is. It's pretty quiet also. It was the beach thing. We were at the beach today, and that's why it's kind of like stubborn sand. So it's still good comfort and to go over. And you know how hard the sand is, beach sand, to clean. Perfect. Awesome. Thank you for watching.